That's too damn bad! You keep digging! You'll thank me one day.
What's up, guys? This is OAB with Dig Deep Crypto, letting you know that yes, this is the right place and this is the right time. With this video, we're going to talk about infrastructure. The internet computer is one of those investments that you just put the money there and you stay for the long term. My plan is every week I'm probably going to drop about $150 on this protocol here going forward, because I have a lot of trust that this is going to be the future of blockchain. I say that because as of right now in 2022, they're telling us to beware of cyber attacks, and the internet computer cannot be hacked. There's a lot of other benefits with this blockchain, and that's what we're going to talk about here. This is their homepage on Twitter. You also see my Dig Deep Crypto at the bottom left. Feel free to come follow. But they also have another Twitter page that I like a little bit more, which is their news page. We scroll down to their pinned tweet, we get to see a contrast. We look at what Web 2 is currently now, and they show us the Web 3 solution, or the Web 3 equivalent that is currently running on internet computer as of right now. So you have Medium, and then you have Nuance. You have a GoDaddy, which is currently you have a GoDaddy where you can get your website started there, or you can get started with the internet computer naming service and go buy your website there. That's what ICNS stands for. YouTube, that's what you're seeing me on now. In the future, you're going to be able to see me on D-Social. Dropbox, you have Gmail, and Definity, the internet computer, has its equivalent called Dmail. But what I want you guys to see here is these are prominent, successful applications that are running on Web 2 now, which is on the cloud, and the internet computer has its equivalent. It's a fork of the current internet, except now the internet is completely blockchain and it's non-hackable. So when we talk about price and we talk about potential as far as value, I compare it to Google. This is Google. This is their stock price. It's currently at $2,352, as you see. And this is similar to Ethereum. Why is that? It's probably because Chrome pretty much monopolizes the internet. You do have Yahoo, you have Firefox, you have Microsoft Edge, Safari. But in reality, Google Chrome is the one that everybody utilizes. It has all of your applications on there, just like we saw on the Twitter page. So what is the price of the internet computer? Currently, the internet computer is $9.37. I jumped on it earlier this morning and I got it at $8, put a little bit of money on it there. And I've made my mind up that for these next 6 months, that every week, most likely I'm going to put about $100 on an internet computer, as long as it's currently at the price point that it is now. I think this is a great opportunity, especially since it used to be about $50, $60, $70 or something like that on a day-to-day basis before this past drop. So that's one of my moves that I'm making. And there's also a couple other coins that I've jumped into, HBAR and CeeLo. But let's go forward and read about this, the internet computer. It has an all-time high of $750. That's huge. That's almost $1,000 without adoption. When adoption comes, because we know about the cyber attacks and ICP being that solution, when everybody starts to blame Google, they're going to be looking for an alternative. And the internet computer will be that alternative. And it's actually up and running as we speak now. But when we read about this, we come across some great stuff here. All right, so let's read. The concept of a world computer that cannot be shut down originated from the Ethereum ecosystem, where early Ethereum technologist Dominic Williams, now founder and chief scientist at Dfinity, assembled over 200 world-renowned cryptographers, distributed system engineers, and programming language experts from Google, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, IBM, Intel, Oracle, Uber, Samsung, and Apple to tackle the massive technological challenge of building an internet computer powerful enough to support infinitely scalable Web3 dApps. We're talking about a protocol, a blockchain that gets the brightest developers to come design this blockchain. Not like, say, a post chain to where that guy is going to get different type of developers from nowhere in blockchain and trying to have them adapt to blockchain and think that that's the way to do it. Maybe that'll work, maybe it won't work, but in my opinion, you want to go with what you know works. The project was founded in October 2016 by Dominic Williams and attracted notable interest and financial contributions from early members of the Ethereum community. Later, Dfinity raised a total of $121 million from contributors such as Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain Capital, SV Angel, Aspect Ventures, Electric Capital, 0x, Scalar Capital, and Multicoin Capital. When I see Andreessen Horowitz, I think about big time money. I think about old money. And I think about insider trading, allegedly. I don't know if they do insider trading, but typically at that level, these folks know where to put their money at. So I wanted to go over that with the internet computer. It says most people's understanding of Web3 is backwards. Web3 isn't just about back-end technology that no one sees. Web3 is built on decentralized front-end content, fully owned and controlled by builders and users, only possible on the internet computer, and made easy with ICM_.app. This is ICME. Build a Web3 app without coding. What that means is you do not have to be a coder. You don't have to go to school to create applications on the internet computer. Every average Joe can build a website, can build an application, similar to Wix, and how Wix made it so easy for you to come up with a website and do e-commerce and add different things onto those pages. The internet computer has adopted that exact same thing, and that's what ICME is. Create a website on the blockchain, design and sell functional NFTs, build a decentralized app, and launch a DAO. So all the importance of the future and how business will be ran, the internet computer is set up for that. I'm gonna show you something else. And as we know here, if you guys are part of the crypto space, you found out that Solana network is down again. So they say something that is extremely important to why I love this ICP. They say the Solana network is down. I have nothing negative to say. Instead, I just want to welcome the sole users to the internet computer. Over 1 year and counting with zero downtime. Big time, big time. A lot of times people talk about downtime and they talk about just straight websites. But here we're talking about a complete blockchain that has never been down. The Internet Computer plans to roll out Bitcoin and Ethereum integrations by the end of Q1. So we're going to take a look at this and then we'll see where it takes us. The Internet Computer has released a roadmap for 2022 and beyond, indicating plans to roll out integrations with Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of the year. The Internet Computer is a public blockchain and protocol that allows developers to install smart contracts and decentralized applications directly on the blockchain. It was incubated and launched in May of 2021 after years of development by Dfinity, a non-profit based in Zurich. The direct Bitcoin integration will be launched as a part of Dfinity's Chromium Satoshi release, which is planned for Q1 of 2022. It will add smart contracts to Bitcoin blockchain using chain key cryptography, displacing the need to use a bridge which could open the network up to malicious actors. We've seen a lot of different blockchains get hacked for 600 million. I believe Tezos got hit. Maybe Avalanche. I could be wrong about Avalanche, but Solana, Ethereum. It's been a lot of different bridges to where you're trying to send your coins from one chain to the next chain, and it gets caught up, and then people are able to steal it from there. This integration with Bitcoin through the Internet Computer will not have a bridge. So you're going to be able to utilize Bitcoin, its addresses and everything on the Internet Computer, because the Internet Computer will have its own Bitcoin wallet and such to be able to do transactions with. So let's take a look at the roadmap. They've already got Sodium completed. Mercury's been completed. Titanium has been completed. What Titanium is a fully enabled DeFi for zero gas fee, AMMs, atomic swaps, and GameFi at scale. The Internet Computer is attracting DeFi dApp developers the ability to serve web content directly from the chain, unparalleled transaction speed, insignificant transaction and storage costs. And the fact that all data is stored on chain make the Internet Computer the ideal blockchain network for decentralized finance. With this Titanium milestone essential, DeFi building blocks will be released, including APIs for accessing the Internet Computer's ledger and for token transactions, sample decentralized applications, which are illustrating the most common DeFi use cases, and a ledger canister. The canister is the smart contracts that's on Internet Computer that can be used by dApp developers. Next up is Carbon. This core focus is tokenizing decentralized applications, DAOs, and open internet services with unique customizations for distinct use cases. The milestone provides a core building blocks that allows Internet Computer developers to issue tokens and operate a decentralized governance system. The former allows projects to raise funds and will boost the Internet Computer's DeFi ecosystem. The latter facilitates decision making in the decentralized fashion, which is essential to building a community around a dApp and drives up engagement. The milestone will further deliver numerous additional features, increasing the Internet Computer security, operational capabilities, and functionalities offered. So this year, while everything is beginning to ramp up, ICP is going right along for the ride. This is going to be completed, estimated, the middle of Q3 of this year. Next, they have the Vitalik release. This is the Ethereum integration. The core focus is direct integration with Ethereum, interoperable smart contracts with no bridges, which keeps everything secure. The ability to interact with Ethereum assets directly on the Internet Computer blockchain and leverage the internet computer's reverse gas model. So they're talking about no gas fees again, being able to operate with Ethereum assets. There's a lot of blockchains trying to copy, but I'm not sure who's going to make it first. But it seems like the internet computer, based off of their connections with high investors, with high value investors, with their integrations of Bitcoin and making sure that their internet computer is completely safe, secure, and scalable, this seems to be a safe bet. Iridium. Their core focus is continuing direct integration across the most high impact blockchain ecosystems and continuing toward a Web3 future of blockchain singularity. Then you have Futurum. This core focus is developing features for the internet computer blockchain to apply post-quantum cryptography and continue to advance crypto innovation. So they're setting themselves up to be a part of the quantum financial system. So I'm going to begin to really dive into this, and I'm going to make more videos going forward when they release the new and what's up to date. I'm sure that when they put together the Ethereum integration, that this coin is going to just explode. We've looked at its all-time high at $750, and that's why I'm going to continue to invest over time into this protocol, into this blockchain, while we still have the opportunity to get it at the dollars that it's worth now. Comment in the comment section some new information about the internet computer, because I'm learning as I go, and I will definitely appreciate you guys to give me some kind of feedback and some new information so that I can make some better content coming forward about the internet computer. Like, subscribe. Peace.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging! You'll take me one day.